Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 8th day of Navratri and today's color is peacock green. Peacock green represents the desires and wishes that get fulfilled. Today we have another event to be happy about and I wanted to prepare a dish that befitted both the occasions. So today I bring you a peacock green eggless New York cheesecake. Let's prepare our cake tin. Cut the butter paper to the size of the base of your tin. Line your tin with butter and then place the butter paper at the base. As this cake is baked in a water bath, we have to protect the base from any seepage of water into the cake. For this, we will cover the outside with 2 lines of foil. Now that our cake tin is ready, we will start with the next procedure, that is preparing the base. For this, we mix together the powdered Oreo biscuits and butter. Mix well till you get a crumbly or a grainy texture. This mixture should hold together when pressed, but also crumble easily. Place this mixture at the base of your cake tin and press it down with a spoon or a glass to level it. When done, keep it aside. Now we will start with the cream cheese filling. Take a bowl, add in the cream cheese and sugar and beat till well combined. Add in the curds and mix again. Now add in the condensed milk and again mix it well. Sieve and add in the corn flour and the all-purpose flour. Combine till there are no lumps in the mixture. Now finally add in the lime juice and vanilla essence. Once again mix it all together. Adding color over here is totally optional. I have added a mix of blue and green to get the required peacock color. Place the cake tin in a tray and pour in half a glass of water. Bake the cake at 180 degrees for 20 minutes first and then reduce the temperature to 120 and bake it for another 60 to 70 minutes more. When done, leave it to cool at room temperature and then place it in the refrigerator for around 4 hours. When thoroughly cooled, get it out of the refrigerator and discard the foil. Run a knife along the edge of the cake. Now demold the cake from the cake tin and remove the base and the butter paper from the bottom. Decorate this cake as you like. I have topped the cake with kiwi fruit and colored it to give it the appearance of peacock wings. Enjoy this peacock green eggless New York cheesecake. If you enjoy watching my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share them with your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching and meet you tomorrow in my next one.